Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. Today's video is an update on this Ganesha silicone mold that I made 6 to 8 months ago. It is one of the most popular uploads on my channel. If you haven't seen how I've made this, you can check it out here. I have used plaster of Paris for a while now in this mold, but I haven't made anything from resin. So today I will test and see how the mold is holding up with resin. I want to use 3 different colors today, and if I use a low viscous resin, the colors are going to be all over each other. So I'm using 1:1 resin from ItsyBitsy. This is the 1:1 ratio resin, which starts curing within 5 minutes of mixing. So really great when you want your resin to set very fast. Unmolding time, so the resin off easily without any problems. So the mold is holding up good. Since it's of matte finish, the resin cast is also matte finish, so you can brush another layer of resin or a layer of resin glaze to bring out the shine. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.